Hey everybody, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and ask a question. Have you ever heard of a Switchel? I had never heard of it before, and it's something that's so flavorful and yet beneficial health-wise that kids will line up for. It is hydrating, helps you to assimilate your water better. I mean, sometimes you can be drinking water all day long, but it doesn't mean you're being hydrated. It's a probiotic. It restores your electrolytes. And because it's so flavorful, pleasant to drink, it keeps your mind on your health throughout the day. And it also helps with your digestion. So just something to think about. I'll post a link in the comments for a good recipe for one. Have a great day.